Place strain relief boot over cable. Use peg-style stripper to score the outer sheath, then bend the cable to break. It is recommended to strip back approximately 50 mm. Peel the outer foil back over the sheath, exposing the shiny side. Please note, when terminating on UFTP, use one of the foils around the pairs for this. Carefully remove the foil around the pairs, leaving 2 mm remaining. Separate the pairs and trim the ends to the same length to ensure they go through the wire guide easily. Organise the conductors into the correct wire map shown on the plug. It is possible to insert the first 4 conductors in one action. Turn the plug over and untwist one pair and feed it through the wire guide, followed by the other pair. With a small pair of pliers, gently pull the conductors through the wire guide. Once you are comfortable that you have all conductors through as far as possible, use the pliers to gently squeeze together the wire guide so that the conductors are terminated on the IDCs. Then trim the excess off using close cut snips or flush cutters, leaving them flush with the wire guide. For ease, trim the sides of the foil and wrap it round the sheath for a full 360 degrees, followed by wrapping the full length of the drain wire. Push the drain wire over the foil. Now place the top half of the plug body over the internal plug assembly. You may want to tighten the strain relief a small amount at this stage to ensure it stays in place. Then place the bottom half of the plug body into the front hinge points and squeeze it closed, locking it at the rear. Whilst it is possible to do this with your hands, over a long day we recommend the use of a pair of pliers or pipe pliers to gently squeeze the 2 halves of the body into its final position, followed by completely tightening the strain relief boot.